Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about paper chromatography. So, what is chromatography? It is a method of separating component of a mixture by differential movement through a two-phase system, the mobile phase and secondary phase. And this movement is effected by the flow of liquid or gas, mobile phase, which percolates through and adsorbents, secondary phase. So what is paper chromatography? Paper chromatography was first introduced by the German scientist Sonbein in 1865. It is a type of planar chromatography. It is the simplest and widely used type of chromatography procedure which runs on a specialized paper. So, two principles of paper chromatography: paper partition chromatography, paper impregnated with silica or aluminum acts. So, friends, paper partition chromatography and paper adsorption chromatography. Paper impregnated with silica or alumina acts as the adsorbent, stationary phase, and solvent as the mobile phase. Paper adsorption chromatography: moisture or water present in the pores of the cellulose fibers present in the filter paper act as the stationary phase and the another solvent as the mobile phase. So in general, paper chromatography is equal to paper partition chromatography. So the principle of separation. The principle of separation is mainly partitions rather than adsorptions. So paper chromatography has different types or modes. Ascending chromatography, as the name indicates, the chromatogram ascend. Here the development of paper occurs due to the solvent movement or travel in upward direction on the paper. You can see in this picture. Solvent, you have the original spot mixture, you have the paper strip, you have a resin solvent front, and you have the clip, you have the cotton thread, you have the gas jar cover. And descending chromatography, here the development of the paper occurs due to the solvent travel downward on the paper. So this is the another one. So ascending descending mode, here solvent first traveled upward and then downward on the paper. Now radial mode, here the solvent travel from center midpoint towards the periphery of the circular chromatography paper. So you can see now two-dimensional chromatography. Here the chromatogram develop occurs in two directions at the right angles. You can see drop of mixture solvent and some hour later turn paper 90 clockwise and use the different solvent, and some hours later you can see the chromatogram. So RF, you know the retention factor value, distance travel by component from application point and distance travel by the solvent from application point. So how to perform paper chromatography? Preparing the paper strips. Cut the filter paper into 5 into 4 measurements. Draw a line 0.5 cm above the bottom edge of the strip with the pencil. Label each strip with its corresponding solution. Place a spot from each end your starting line. Now developing the chromatogram. Place the strip in the beaker. Make sure the solution does not come above your start line. Keep the beaker covered. Let strips develop until the ascending solution front is about 2 cm from the top of the strip, and then remove the strip and let them dry. So calculate the RF values and make conclusions. So paper chromatography results, you can see the blue and yellow and green. So how does chromatography work? You can see the properties of water, negative and positive. So properties of the paper is like that, positive and negative. Now attraction of water molecule to the molecule of the glucose in the paper. You can see water molecule thoroughly scattered throughout the paper. Now, properties of dye: smaller rise up faster than the bigger dye and molecules. You can see dye molecules with more amount of large rise up faster than other one that did not. So dipole dipole interaction of water molecules polar and dye molecules polar. So my friends, I hope this video will be beneficial for you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.